under my breath. But knew I'd be alright, it was right there in my lap.
Where is it? Oh, they're gonna face the fireman! Damn it, they didn't see the chicken man.
Yo, Hamel! Go drive by the fireman. Yo, you just got fucked up, yo. We have to turn around. I feel like so Did you get that? Oh no! No! No, what'd you do?
What happened?
No, look. No, I just took out a brick wall now.
How'd you do that? How?
I can't see anything. I'm doing like 20 miles an hour.
Yo, that would have made like 1 million hits on YouTube if we got that on video.
Wait, you didn't have a video?
No, we just missed it. I hate it. Yo, you just ate shit. In a fucking chicken costume.
I'll tell you, meet me in my head.
Is it riding?
Look, I can't ride this bike, I'm walking.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yo, just fuck up.
Oh shit,
Oh, man. Yo, you got a warranty from